In the previous video, we learned about the topic array. In case if you missed it, you can check the previous video in the comment description. And in this video, we are going to look about the topic what are all there in looping mechanism and branching statements. Okay, what is role of it and where it is applied. Okay. Next, we are going to see how we can implement that. Okay. Before getting into today's topic, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notified for our upcoming free tutorials. Okay, let's start our video today for the session of having a looping statement and branching. Okay, so let's see what is looping is. Looping is an iterative loop that can run on any program. For example, I want to print values from 1 to 100 means if you given sysout of 1 you need to give, sysout of 2 you need to give, you should increase the lines of code. If you do it in a loop, it will loop up to a certain amount and it will print the value with 1 to 100. So looping mechanism is like forward iteration we can do and also reverse iteration we can do, ascending or descending. Okay, so loopings we have three kinds. One is for loop and we have while loop and we have do while. Okay, we'll see one by one. Okay, in the operator we discussed about decrement and increment, right? That operator plays a major role in loops. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I will explain you this looping concept. Okay, this is a syntax for a native for loop for int I equal to 0, int I is less than or equal to 0, I plus plus. So it will print from I equal to 0 and up to 9 it will print. Okay, and the same way I am doing it in a reverse order. The syntax will be different. It will start with I equal to 10 and it should be greater than or equal to 0 and I minus minus. Okay, how it works is for first iteration I will be 0. It check the condition. Okay, less than or equal to 0. 0 is less than equal to 0. Sorry, 10. Yes, true. It will go ahead and it will increment and it will print 0. Next, it will be 1. It will check the condition true, increment and it will print 1. Goes on 2, 3, 4, 9. It will become false because 9 is less than 10. It will print and 11 it will be false. It is less than or equal to 10 will be false and the loop will be terminated. Same applies for reverse condition where you will apply the decrement operator and you will start with the largest number. That's it. Now for each loop. For each loop is enhanced for loop where it is used in applying iteration over collection and array objects. Okay, it's very simple. For each loop, I have declared a string array. Give the array name colon string v. Each time the string v, the local variable will be assigned with the value from the array. So first loop v will be A and second loop v will be E and third loop I. So it goes on. Okay, then the same way we can iterate this array using native for loop. It's very simple. Native for loop is traditional for loop. It's very simple. I equal to 0. You know the length, right? Up to the length we need to iterate I plus plus. Each time I will be appended with 0, 1, 2, 3, right? That is an index position. So I am giving that index position number here. Vowels of 0 A, vowels of 1 E, vowels of 2 it will be I and the vowels of 3 will be O. It goes on. Okay. Next, while loop. While loop is a condition. It is a conditional statement where while if you give some condition, unless until this become false, this loop will be executed. So x is less than 5. Now the x is 0 is less than 5. True. It will print high. Again it goes on. It will increment 1, 2, 3, 4. When it comes when it comes 5, it will exit out of this loop. Okay, next is do while loop. Do while loop is this a syntax? First statement will be given and then condition will be checked. So for example, first iteration the condition never checks. It will check from the second iteration. That is the difference between while and do while. So this is the overall picture of for loop, while loop and do while loop. Okay. Now I will run the program. And as our application. So can you see? We will see from the first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9, up to 10 it is printing because of the forward loop, and again it will start from 10 and it will print up to 0 because of the reverse loop, and AUIO is printing because of for each loop at line number 14. Okay, and printing array values using traditional loop. AUIO, same thing. You will have the index position, right? So index position I value will be appended with that index I am iterating. and while loop is printing 1 2 3 4 5 5 times I, because it is lesser than or lesser than 5. It will start from 0 to 5, so it will be 5 in length. And hello, y equal to 3. When y is not equal to 3, it will terminate the loop. First time it will be executed, next it will be checking y not equal to 3. It will be false, so loop will be terminated and only one hello will be printed. So that's why I am getting hello here. Okay, this is the overall picture of looping statements. Okay, next we will see about branching statements. Branching statements. So that we have break, continue, and return. This is known as branching statement. Okay, so this is branching statements. I'll give branching. Okay, break will, it is break and continue applied in for loops and switch case. Okay, break will entirely terminate the loop at one point. Okay, continue will skip the current iteration. Whenever you give continue inside the loop, it will skip the current iteration and move to the next iteration. Okay, next return statement is used in for method return types. Okay, methods return statement. We already saw in members of the class. Okay, method and its return type. Okay, now we are going to see break, continue, and return here. Okay, in the same code itself we'll see. I will declare one new thing. Okay, I'm going to have a for loop for int I equal to 0 less than I less than 5 4 semicolon I plus plus. Okay, whenever I see 3, I should break the loop. That means I should use the statement break. Okay, so if I is equal to 3, I will break the loop. How I will break? This thing break. Okay, break semicolon. Okay, now after that I will use sys out of I. So first time I will be 0, so it will print 0 equal to 3, false, it won't break. 1 2 and 3 it will be breaking, 3 won't be printed, it will print up to 0 1 2. Let's see the sys out is happening or not. Okay, 0 1 2. Okay, got it. Now continue what it does is it will skip the 3 and it will print the. Okay, let me do it in a new for loop itself. Okay, and I will give continue here. Okay, semicolon. So it will skip the 3 and it will print the 4th value. It won't entirely terminate the loop. It will be 0 1 2 and 4, and that it will be 0 1 2 because it will break the loop. Break statement will terminate the loop. Continue won't terminate. So 0 1 2, for continue it is 0 1 2, and y3 is not getting printed. Yeah, 4th. Okay, less than or equal to 4 if you give, then only the 4 will be printed. So the application, so 4 will be printed, 3 is getting just skipped in continue. The same way if I give equal to here, it will though I gave equal to, it won't print the 4, it will print up to 0 1 2. Can you see 0 1 2 and 0 1 2 4? That is the difference between break and continue. Okay, that's it for the today's session, and we will discuss more on the next topic. Okay, happy learning.